Tired of boring, impersonal emails feeling like a black hole? Let's dive into how video texts in Liondesk can revolutionize your client communication, making it more dynamic and directly boosting your response rates. First, open your Liondesk dashboard and select a contact. You can find your contact by searching in the search bar or by selecting from your contact list. Next, navigate to the contact's profile, locate the messaging section, which can be easily found. You'll now see options to send a text, email, and now the powerful video option. Click on the video text button to access this feature. You can then choose to either record a video directly using your computer's webcam or upload a pre-recorded video. Get creative: film a quick greeting, a personalized property tour, or a quick update to your client. After clicking the record button, a countdown timer will appear. Hit the button again to finish recording. Think about your audience and speak clearly. Once your video is complete, review the preview and make any last-minute tweaks. When you're happy with it, hit the Send Video Text button. On the client's end, they'll receive a text message with a link to view their video message. They simply click to play. The video will play directly on their phone. Clients can reply directly, adding a personal touch that email just can't match. Now, back in Liondesk, you'll find your entire communication history consolidated, including the video text exchanges. This helps you keep track of your client interactions easily. Video texts are an easy way to connect and offer personalized communication through Liondesk, and is a great way to build and maintain relationships with your leads.